Now let's take a look at Shopify, a platform you should know about if you're focused on an e-commerce site or if you may want to focus on one in the future. If your main goal is to sell products online, Shopify is one of the best choices. It now has built-in AI tools that speed up the setup process. Inside Shopify's editor, you can use AI to generate text copy, create product descriptions, and even make small edits to images. But the really cool AI feature is that on certain store themes, you can generate completely custom AI sections. If you add a custom section, add a generate block, you can prompt whatever section you'd like, and Shopify will build it for you. Once the block is created, you can then edit any replaceable content within the new block structure. These features make it faster to get your store looking polished without spending hours writing or designing. These built-in AI tools are especially helpful if you have a large product catalog. And if you want to go further, you can use a third-party app called Atlas AI Store Builder. With Atlas, you can paste in a product link from sites like AliExpress or Amazon, and it will instantly generate a complete store around that product. It pulls in images, writes detailed descriptions, adds customer reviews, and builds your product page in just a few clicks. Compared to the other builders in this video, Atlas does an impressive amount of the heavy lifting for you. What makes Shopify stand out is its e-commerce infrastructure. It's built to handle everything from payment processing and inventory tracking to shipping integrations and product catalog management. That means you can start small and easily scale as your store grows. For pricing, you'll need a Shopify plan, and if you want to use it, an Atlas plan. Shopify starts at $29 a month for the basic plan, with the Grow plan at $79 a month, and Advanced at $299 a month for lower fees and more features. Atlas starts at $29 a month for Basic, $49 a month for Pro, and $99 a month for Expert. The Pro plan adds AI product photo generation and upsell features like bundler and cart add-ons, which are especially useful if you're dropshipping. Shopify also offers a unique trial. You can try it for free for 3 days without a credit card, and then the first 3 months cost just $1 per month. Atlas also has a free trial, so you have plenty of time to explore before committing. If your focus is e-commerce and you want a store generated quickly, Shopify paired with Atlas is a powerful combination.